Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to turn off the vibration on your PSVR 2 headset and controllers. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So to turn off the vibration on the headset and the controller is very easy. Press the PlayStation button and then go to the quick settings for the PlayStation VR 2. Then under here, you can see a setting for VR headset vibration. Simply uncheckmark this and turn it off. Now for the controllers, it's going to be a little bit different. If we go down to the quick menu and we go over to accessories and we go to our PSVR 2 Sense controllers, we can go to controller settings. Now under here, go to vibration intensity and you can simply turn this off. And you can do the same thing for your trigger effect intensity. You can completely turn it off under this menu. Now when you change this setting under here, this will also turn off the vibration on your PlayStation 5 controller. So they do share the same settings. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.